Now here is how we can turn off the private browsing on the iPad, like entirely inside of the settings, because I assume that you know how you can control it, and then you can get inside of the private browsing mode and then like close the tab and so on. But if you want to like disable the feature altogether, this is what I'm going to show you. So if you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. So we go to the settings, and on the left panel we can find the screen time section, and when you go in here, and you can obviously manage the time used with the screen on and all of the apps and everything, but below we also have the content and privacy restrictions, and this is the place where you can control some things. And when you enable it, then go to the App Store, Media, Web, and Games mode. You can control which web content is going to be allowed. And when you click on this and choose it from the unrestricted to limited, right? You don't have to go all the way with the only approved websites, because that would be like too limiting. But if you choose the option in the middle, you're going to notice that after coming back right to the home screen, perhaps like restarting a few apps, you're going to notice that then going to the Safari is not going to even allow going to the private mode. Right, so as you can see right now it still does. That's probably because we need to lock these settings. So we're going to come back to the screen time and also set up a passcode. So let me just add it like that. And now after we go through the setup process, hopefully it is not going to work. So when we go to the you can see that we went to the Safari, and right now I can only browse the regular tabs, and the private browsing simply disappeared as a feature. It is no longer possible. So not only can you like block the web content, but you also need to lock the screen time settings to make this take effect, right? So in here, if I go to the screen time section and change and turn off the passcode for this feature, then it's possible that the private mode reappears back. So not only do you need to block the website content, but also lock the screen time settings. So I hope it helps. That's what I wanted to explain. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.